Mixmasters present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go to moniker aka Mixmaster Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender with bartending. This week we got another special drink on display. Since December has rolled around, the cold front is in the air, everybody's getting sick. I got just the remedy. We're gonna teach you how to make a hot toddy. Now we have our recipe out of the way. Let's go over the ingredients that it takes to make a hot toddy. You need bourbon, honey, water, and a lemon. Now we have our ingredients out of the way. Let's make this bad boy. The first step in making a hot toddy, we're gonna put an ounce of bourbon, and we're actually using bullet bourbon. And then our recipe calls for hot water. We've actually already boiled our hot water, and we're actually gonna put the snippet of that into the video. We turn our stove on high. Now we let our water boil. Our hot water boil, we're gonna pour our hot water into our cup. Now we're gonna take our honey, pour our honey in our cup, and we chopped up some lemons, and we just gonna squeeze this lemon into our cup. I'm gonna use 2. You can use how many, it's over a preferential thing. And then we just gonna stir to make sure we get all the ingredients together. And that, my friends, how you make the perfect hot toddy. Thank you again for tuning in to another special edition of True Mixmasters present True Tuesdays. This is where we like to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to go on our social media platforms. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. And the next time, stay true, my friends.